Hey y'all, welcome back to Toya's Garden Haven. We are back in my kitchen today, but we are not doing winter sowing, y'all. We are actually starting more seeds. So make sure you come back to hear what we start in for actually weeks 9/10. I didn't do a video for the 10-week seed starting, so I'm kind of combining them now. So come on back, let me show you what we do. All right, y'all, we are starting quite a few seeds today, so we are just going to jump right into it, okay? So if you all have been watching my channel, you know I've been doing quite a bit of winter sowing. I'm also going to be starting seeds in the house just in case winter sowing does not quite work out. I'm hoping that it does and I get great germination. And then, I don't know, winter sowing may be the way to go with, just putting a few things inside the house. But let's go through what we're starting indoors today. So we have a whole host of things. We have flowers, we have brassicas, spinach, broccoli, some peppers, and then also some herbs and such. So we'll start with the flowers first. We are starting calendula in the house, snapdragons, marigolds, zinnias, and then more zinnias. It's just two different kinds of zinnias. I love colorful flowers, if you cannot tell, so I'm so excited about starting those. Now let's jump over to the herbs that we're starting. So we're starting some chives, which really isn't necessarily an herb, but chives, thyme, and then also some lemon balm, y'all. All right, so let's go over to our brassicas. So for brassicas, we're starting this broccoli wild thumb 29, this Chinese broccoli Yodfa, and then also this early purple sprouting broccoli. And then also in the realm of brassicas, we are also starting this cabbage, early golden acre, and also this Brussels sprout, these Brussels sprouts. All right, so jumping over to spinach. So we just have two kinds of spinach. We have the baby leaf spinach, and then we also have the Bloomsdale long-standing spinach. And I will probably use the oldest seeds, which are these that are in my hand right now. I'm really trying to get these seeds all used up as well because that seed packet is from 2021, y'all. All right, so we are going to switch over to the peppers. So we are going to start with the sweet peppers first. So we're going to do this Cali Wonder sweet pepper. And then we're also going to do this Carnival Blend sweet pepper. And then we are going to do this sweet banana pepper as well. And that's it for the sweet peppers. And then the spicy peppers, y'all, we going in, okay? We're doing Hungarian hot wax. We're doing a serrano, cayenne, pepperoncini, a jalapeno, and then also a shishito pepper. So as y'all can tell, I love hot peppers, but that's neither here nor there. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and kick this video off. I think I will start with my lone planter here. I have one that is in a planter all by themselves because it takes 21 days to germinate. So I'm putting this one all by themselves just so they have enough time to germinate. So let's go ahead and show you what we're doing now. All right, y'all. So this is where the lemon balm is going. This is what we are starting in this little packet, or I'm sorry, this little container. So lemon balm seeds are pretty small. See the seeds in there. So I'm just going to take some and just sprinkle them about in this soil for some good germination. And like I said, this is also one of the ones that I ended up winter sowing as well. So hopefully I get some good germination. Y'all, these seeds so tiny. I don't even want to. Here, this is what we'll do. I'll just put a teensy wince more soil over the top, just a teensy wince to just cover them. All right. And then we'll do the watering in and vermiculite at the end. So I'm going to put that one over there. All right, so I'm just going to pull my whole tray over. As y'all can see, I have my tray. I have everything labeled that is going somewhere in this tray as well. So I guess we're going to do the peppers next because this is on this side right here. Let's start with the hot peppers. Y'all, I'm going to do what my friends all over YouTube do. I like to put the seeds in like different areas. Like, so I'm going to put, oh, nope. I'm going to do 2 seeds. I'm not doing 4, y'all. I'm not doing 4. I'm not going to do it. So, whoops. So let's get this serrano pepper cracking, and I will speed y'all through the rest of this because I don't need to talk all while I'm starting all these seeds, y'all. And I might even just, speed y'all up and then come back at the end, y'all, because these are a lot of seeds to be starting today. And the other piece of this too, if I just do 2 seeds, let's say 14 days from now, if I come back and things still aren't looking up, then I can at least start some more if I would like to. I also got some grow bags, y'all, for this upcoming season, so I'm kind of excited. This is my first year growing with grow bags, so I am excited to get the grow bags cracking. Now, I have yet to get calendula in my garden, and probably because I just when I planted it, I don't think I started it indoors. I think I got the flower after I got all my other seeds, and so it didn't get the chance to flourish. So I'm kind of excited to see what calendula is going to look like this year. Tell me what in your zones, in your areas, are you growing at this point in time, either at the 9-week or the 8-week mark? Let me know down in the comments what are you starting, whether indoors, outdoors, winter sowing. It doesn't matter. Let me know what you growing. I'm always jealous of the folks that can grow year round, whether they are in a really warm climate, or they have like hoop houses, or big yards with a greenhouse. One day I will get there. I will get there, y'all. One day. I'm not sure how my husband is gonna feel about it, but because that might mean that he needs to do just a little bit more. But you know what? I bet he gonna want to eat this stuff that's grown. At least the stuff that's edible, you know what I mean? So get out there and make it happen, sir. That's all I got to say. Also got some more of those Dollar Tree stackable planters. Not that I needed any, but they had some, so I got some. Um, so I think I'm gonna have one stackable planter for um, like lettuce and spinach, um, and then another one for herbs and such. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. But I also have another stackable planter out there. So I'm going to the Brassicas now, y'all. Um, that has um, that I got from Lowe's, I think. And so I also have to figure out what to do with that one. But I am starting quite a bit of lettuce around the end of February. So be expecting a huge video with a lot of lettuce getting started, y'all. Because I love lettuce. Um, I could probably eat a salad for every meal and never get tired of it. One of my BFFs, like always has a salad at work, and so I will be doing a lot of salad sharing or lettuce sharing with her. Um, okay, that's cabbage, Brussels sprouts. So then we're gonna go to spinach. We're just gonna go up the line. So we're gonna have 4 things of spinach. So we're gonna do 2 baby leaves. I only have 3 labels for spinach, but we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in each one. Oh, dang it. Accidentally dropped 2 seeds in there. I'm not gonna worry about it. But anyways, so because I'm gonna be starting quite a bit of lettuce, I figured I could have a tower dedicated to that, but then I also like want to make sure that I companion plant, so get things mixed in with get plants mixed in together that do well together. So um, yeah, I'm gonna use 2021 seeds. Yeah, there's so many. There's still so many seeds in here. I think we have dropped all the seeds, y'all. Did we really? That seemed like that went faster than I expected. But like I said, my next big seed starting week is going to be the week of the 23rd, I want to say, I believe. Um, it's when like all my lettuces are getting started. So I'm excited. Oh, y'all, this a hand workout too. Arm workout, I mean. I've been in the house all day today, and I did not decide to start seeds until after the kids went to bed. It is 10:23 at night. Knowing my butt needs to be in the bed. I'm going though, y'all. I'm going. After I get this little tray over there, get everything all set up, I'm out this joint. Going to bed. We are getting some weather these next like Tuesday evening into Wednesday. Tonight is Sunday night. It's actually the night of the Super Bowl. I did not watch the Super Bowl tonight because we do not, even though we're in Missouri, we do not cheer for the Chiefs. um, my husband is a Raiders fan, so that is our team in this house. And yeah, I did not hear any sonic boom. I didn't hear any like, things that indicated that the Chiefs won. So I'm assuming that they lost. The last time I checked, it was 12 minutes and it was in the fourth quarter. So I'm sure that more than 12 minutes have gone by that I've been filming. So sad day. All right, y'all, I'm going to get this over in the seed starting area, get this all set up, and then I will show y'all what it looks like on the shelf. All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like on the shelf right now. So I did adjust some things over here. Eventually, these peppers will be potted up. And then these onions and probably that lavender are going to go up here on this row. Once these things germinate, and actually I might end up moving this on the top up here, and putting the light up there and all that, because I do have these lights right here so that I can put the stuff under here that is taller, like these onions, the peppers, the lavender, so that these can actually be closer to the light. And what I also might do, this little tray has like numbers, and you probably can't see it, but it's a number or a letter like in the middle of these things, and so I can actually write down on a piece of paper what is in each cell, and then take these labels out if I need to move the light closer, just in case they get leggy. But I may do that in the coming days, just so the light is as close to this as possible. But this is what I'm going to do tonight, because y'all, I'm about to get ready and get in the bed. All right. I thank y'all for joining me for another day of seed starting for weeks 9/10. Let me know in the comments what you are growing this week, and I will see you on the next one. All right. Bye.